What's up, guys? We got a HD 550 by Allen. It act like the battery's dead, so I went and got a brand new battery and put in it, and I'll show you what it's doing. Even if you look up here, you can see the gauge showing that it don't have no juice. You can hear the fan on. Listen. Acts like the battery's dead. So you can see I've got a jumper box here. We'll put that on it, put it on jump start. I've got the jump cable that I had hooked to the forklift, and it's pretty much still doing the same thing. I took the ground off the battery and cleaned it. The hot post, we've cleaned the connector here. So my next step, I took this wire, the ground wire here, loose, and you can see how it's shiny behind it. I took a grinder and cleaned that up. I took these off. You can see I cleaned them up. Took a grinder and cleaned them up. So it's still doing it. So what I'm fixing to do is I'm fixing to swap out this starter, and we'll find out if that's the problem or not. So as you can see, I got my starter swapped out. You can see the old starter. And if you'll notice here, this has been done over time. There's the hot wire coming out of the wiring harness here. If you'll notice, there's another one up here. What that is, probably one I've added over time, that bad connections. But I'm gonna show you where we think it's a bad connection. Sometimes your battery cables can get corroded and it causes it to drag and not work right. But as you've seen in the video a few minutes ago, how it was just click, click, like the battery's dead. Since I put the new starter on, all I've done. So sometimes it ain't in your battery. Sometimes it's in your starter. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe so you can keep up more of my videos.